What up, YouTube? Today I'm going to attempt to replace my current chainring with this new oval purple chainring. Alright, so we had to remove the crank. I think, yeah, there's a hex bolt over here. So you can't undo your chain and all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to take it off. Throw this bad boy up. Pro tip, you might want to get a stand for this. I have a stand, however my friend is borrowing it. So we just lean shit against that. Hope for the best. So we got a chain off and our 8mm hex over on this other side. Yeah. All right. That side's off. Now, this side probably needs to be tapped out. Take a little woohoo! Little rubber mallet action will solve that problem quickly. Alright, so now I just have to undo those torque bolts and bolt on the new chainring. Alright, we're going to try to remove this seal there. Alright, now I'll put that on top of that. That's good. Alright, so this is just a T25 torque, I believe. Let's untorque these. Yeah. Whoop. And the old chainring is off. There we go. Can only go one way. Because got to keep all the holes open. So, got all the holes lined up, and then this bad boy should go in and screw in now. Alright, just got to tighten them down. Use a torque wrench, I guess. Just going to re-grease these and put steel back on. Just using some multi-purpose lithium grease. I'll slide this back through. Put this back on. Tighten that bad boy up. And like really tighten it up because it sucks when your crank arm comes loose on the trail. Put the chain on the chainring. That bad boy. And we got an oval chainring, eh? Fun. Alright, let's do a quick and dirty review on the oval chainring. It makes going uphill a lot easier. Standing up and climbing seems easier. It has great traction. It gets the grip on the loose stuff really well. And honestly, I have to say I highly recommend it. If you do any climbing at all, you have a 1x setup, this is the way to go. I came from a 30T and actually put on a 32T, and it's been great. Nice, easy climbing. It does well on the technical stuff going up, and don't notice it on the flats at all. Highly recommend it.